You know, some people say you should never burn bridges. I say if it's a bridge you're not crossing again, light her up. In that spirit, let's make something so bold, so fiery, it leaves an impression. Let's do this. In your pot over medium-high heat, add your oil and 4 kernels of Dell Cove Spice's Better Off single popcorn kernels. Once those kernels pop, you know your oil is ready for the rest of the kernels. These kernels are popping off, no +1s required. Transfer to a bowl, then preheat your oven to 300 degrees and toss your popcorn with 3 tablespoons of your favorite hot sauce. Not that cheap stuff. This isn't a college dorm. And after all, we're single, not tasteless. 10 minutes in the oven should do it. When it's out, let it cool and sprinkle with some Dell Cove Spice's Cajun seasoning. This recipe is fiery, bold, and leaves no room for second chances. Sure, they were probably too bland for you anyway, but this popcorn, hot, fiery, bold, and unforgettable. It's the kind of snack you put at the center of the table, pass around to your favorite people, and realize sometimes the best dates don't need a +1. Cheers to being single and thriving. For more recipes, gourmet popcorn kernels, seasonings, and more, check out DellCoveSpices.com. Because unlike your ex, we won't ghost you.